In this video, we're going to talk about how you can reset your T-Mobile home internet. The first option is a soft reset. All you have to do is unplug the gateway. You will pull the power cord out of the back. Then you gotta wait 30 seconds to give it a little break to reset, and you have to plug the cable back in. The lights will flash as it restarts and you will wait for connection. It may take a few minutes before the Wi-Fi is back. This fixes small issues like slow internet or temporary glitches. The second option is a hard reset, which is going to be a factory reset. This will erase your custom Wi-Fi name and password, so you have to set it up again. You want to find the reset button. It's a small pinhole button on the back or the bottom of the gateway. You will use a paper clip or pin. You want to press and hold the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds. You want to watch the lights, they will flash and then the gateway will restart. And you want to connect your devices. Use the default Wi-Fi name and password printed on the gateway's label. After the reset, you will reopen the T-Mobile Internet app to check the status. You can change your Wi-Fi name and password again if you want to, and test your internet connection with a speed test. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.